Assalamu alaikum.
If you want to watch new videos on our channel, then subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Like the video and share it with your friends. Moreover, comment below for your suggestions. Now let's come to today's video. Ozymandias. I met a traveler from an antique land, who said, "Two vast and trunkless legs of stone stand in the desert. Near them, on the sand, half sunk a shattered visage lies, whose frown, and wrinkled lip, and sneer of cold command, tell that its sculptor well those passions read, which yet survive, stamped on these lifeless things. The hand that mocked them, and the heart that fed. And on the pedestal, these words appear. My name is Ozymandias, King of Kings. Look on my works, ye mighty, and despair. Nothing beside remains. Round the decay of that colossal wreck, boundless and bare, the lone and level sands stretch far away."
मैं एक कदीम सरजमीन से आने वाले मुसाफिर से मिला, जिसने कहा, वो बड़ी बड़ी पत्थर की टांगें सहरा में खड़ी हैं। इनके करीब रेत पर आधा ढका हुआ शिकस्ता चेहरा पड़ा है, जिसके चेहरे पर नाराज़गी, झुर्रियों वाला होंठ और किसी जालमाना हुक्म का तमस्खराना तासुर, जो ये बताता है कि मुजस्मा साज ने इन जज्बात का अच्छी तरह जायज़ा लिया, जो अभी तक इन बेजान चीज़ों पर नक्श हैं और मौजूद हैं। वो हाथ जिसने इसे बनाया और दिल जिसने जज्बात मुहैया किए, और इन पर ये अल्फाज दर्ज हैं। मेरा नाम ओज़िमैंडियस है, बादशाहों का बादशाह। तुम ताकतवर मेरे कारनामों को देखो और मायूस हो जाओ। कुछ भी साथ नहीं बचा हुआ। इर्द गिर्द इस शिकस्ता बहुत बड़े मुजस्मे के खाली और लामहदूद, तन्हा और हमवार रेत दूर दूर तक फैली हुई है।
Ozymandias, by Percy Bysshe Shelley. 1. Introduction. Ozymandias is a sonnet written by Percy Bysshe Shelley and was first published in 1818. The poem explores the fleeting nature of power and serves as a critique on the inevitable decline of even the most powerful rulers and civilizations. 2. Summary. Ozymandias tells the story of a traveler who encounters a vast, shattered statue in the desert. The statue once depicted the mighty Ozymandias, a powerful ruler who believed that he would be remembered forever. However, time and the forces of nature have reduced the statue to ruins. The traveler reflects on the irony of the inscription on the pedestal, which proudly declares, "Look on my works, ye mighty, and despair." Despite the grandiosity of Ozymandias' claim, there is nothing left of his empire but sand and decay. 3. Critical analysis. Ozymandias is a highly regarded poem that highlights several key themes. One of the central themes is the assertion of the impermanence of power and the eventual downfall of even the most formidable rulers. Shelley uses vivid imagery to portray the ruins of the statue as a representation of human arrogance and the transient nature of material possessions and achievements. The colossal statue's ironic inscription serves as a commentary on the folly of excessive pride and the ineffectiveness of power in the face of time. The once powerful Ozymandias is now forgotten and his legacy reduced to rubble. This critique of pride and power reflects Shelley's own political and philosophical views, and his skepticism towards the permanence of authority. The poem also explores the power of art and literature to transcend time and preserve the memory of past civilizations. Although the statue may have crumbled, the poem itself immortalizes the story of Ozymandias. This emphasis on the endurance of art emphasizes the importance of creativity and the ability to capture the essence of human existence. Furthermore, the poem provides a deeper commentary on the cycles of history, suggesting that civilizations rise and fall, leaving only fragments behind. The use of the desert setting creates a sense of desolation and serves as a metaphor for the vastness of time that erodes the grandest monuments of power. Overall, Ozymandias offers a profound reflection on the impermanence of power, the folly of pride, the significance of art, and the cycles of history. Its enduring popularity can be attributed to its universal exploration of human nature and its ability to resonate with readers across different time periods. If you like the video, subscribe our channel and appreciate us. For new videos, press bell and get notifications. Like, share and comment below for your suggestions and feedback. Thanks for watching.